Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do an operational self-check and nozzle test on an Epson XP-202. Now, if you're not using your Epson printer in conjunction with a PC or a laptop, this will be the quickest way of getting a test page and just making sure your printer is working okay. So, to do this, we first need the printer to be off. So, press the power button. Now all the lights are off. What we're going to do is hold down this button, which is the stop button, and then the power button at the same time for a total of 10 seconds. So here we go. And once these 10 seconds are up, your printer's going to check itself ever so quickly, make sure it's happy with its ability to print, and then print out a nozzle check that shows the 4 colours it's capable of printing. And release. So now that's done, let's take a look at it. So as you can see, this is the page the printer has kicked out. This one has come to us with a print quality issue, but what you should have here is a breakdown of black, cyan, which we have here, magenta we have here, and there should be yellow in there as well. Obviously there is an issue here, but your page is hopefully looking somewhat closer to the one shown on screen now. If, like me, you are having print quality issues, I'd recommend doing some cleans, which we can also do directly from the printer. So check out a video for that if that's something you're interested in. But thank you for watching. Please do let us know if you found this useful with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.